Hello, today I'm going to show you some programs that can work in conjunction with your Arduino programming Uno board. Most of the programs are all free and you can get them on the internet. The first one obviously is the home screen of the Arduino. It has forums and places to download software and that sort of thing. The main one that you'll probably use many times is the language reference guide from the Arduino folks. You'll have to look up language reference, and this is where it will take you. This is a very good secondary IDE called CodeBender. If you don't like the IDE that comes with the Arduino, this is definitely a good choice. Lots of libraries and stuff to use. If you need parts, Banggood is a good place to purchase ICs and chips and components directly from China, and they're very cheap, but they take a long time to get here. Another place to get software, or actually hardware, is sanesmart. They have a lot of shields and pre-made components that you can purchase. The prices are good, and I know it's a very popular site. Another place is ICdirect. This is a good place to get discounts on occasion for IC components, resistors, capacitors, motors, that sort of thing. Newegg is a great place. They have larger selection of hardware such as laptops or hard drives, keyboards, that sort of thing. FileHippo is a website for downloading free software. It's usually a little bit older versions of software, and it's bug-free, and it's a good resource. Obviously, YouTube. You can do a search on Arduino components, and if you're Premiere, not Premiere, that's Google Chrome is really good for setting up and having websites at the top, tabs that you can go to frequently for opening up really quick. Amazon is what I was thinking of. It has a lot of components, and you can purchase quite a few things through here. If you're a Premier account holder, you can get the items very quickly, actually. I know a lot of folks that have purchased the ultrasonic sensors or ribbon cable through them and have had a good experience. This is a website that I'm not really used a whole lot of, but it has all sorts of projects that you can do for the Arduino, as well as other projects like around the house and that sort of thing. I think it's called Instructables. So let's open up a software program here. This is noteplus. It's free. It's like Notepad. You pick the language that you want to program to be selected, and it highlights the code according to that structure of that language. In this case, we're using C. I'm using the Blink sketch, and what it allows you to do is you can shrink up portions of it. Like, for instance, you don't want all the comments, or you don't want all the functions, or you want to shrink up the setup or the loop, and you can bring it down to it's just really quickly bare minimum components and see what you're working with. So you can work with really large files very quickly with this program, and like I said, it doesn't compile or do any of that, but it does help you structure your language and code it and see what you're dealing with quickly. The next one here is Hyperterminal. I use this in conjunction with Bluetooth to capture serial data or send serial data to and from a text file on the PC to the Arduino board. It comes with Windows, it's free, so I use it. There are others, but this is the simplest and quickest to use. The next one here are the IDE that comes with the Arduino that you download from the home page. First one I downloaded was 1.6.5, but I actually found that there's an enhanced Windows release that's just for Windows called ERW or EWR, and you can download that, and it's made for Windows. Another thing you'll need to download if you get one of the kits is these circuit sketches. It comes in this zip file here, and you can search for that zip file name in Google and download it. I think FileHippo has it. I believe. The next one here is called Fritzing. It's kind of an AutoCAD program. It has all sorts of components and all the Arduino boards. It allows you to lay out and show the wiring structure and how all the components connect together. It has the pinouts, the correct pinouts, so it helps you kind of brainstorm, or if you want to actually get a board made of a project that you've made and you want to manufacture it or whatnot, this program can do it for you. There's an option to upload your project to them, and for a fee they will actually make a PC board for you and even mount the components if you wish. So it gets very intricate. But it's a free program to use, and you see this SketchUp program in a lot of examples. Clips, this is just a sidebar. Clips is what I use to make these little video clips. I was thinking if anybody wants to record their robotic projects and put it on YouTube, Clips is a free program on iPhone. I'm sure Android has a similar program. It allows you to edit and design and do music and signage and dissolves and all sorts of things. And like I said, it's free. There's a portion of it that you can buy that has a lot of other features, but for the most part, unless you're going to do a full movie, you can use this on an iPad or an iPhone or an Android phone. Like I said, it's free and it works, so that's why I suggest it. So. The last thing is Keyword Tool here. It allows you to generate tags for YouTube. When you do a YouTube video upload, they want you to allow tags for searching. This will do the tags. You type in your project specifications like Arduino. It comes up with 400 some odd, 500 unique keywords. You can either copy them all, but you can't put them all in, so you tag 4 or 5 of them, and you copy them here to your clipboard, and then you would open up YouTube and you would just paste them in, and they would all pop in just like that, and then you'd be done with the tag part. And then you can upload your video. So hopefully this has helped you. Please share and add comments and that sort of thing. I think the voiceover doesn't quite match up always with the picture, so unfortunately I'm doing the best I can. Enjoy. Thanks.